Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh,
And start tapping on the side of your hand. And repeat after me. I give myself permission to release the tension in my jaw, in my shoulders, in my gut, and in my legs. I give myself permission to find my body again and relax into it. Top of the head, I release the need to replay situations in my mind. Eyebrow, other people do not control my emotions. I do. Side of the eye, I no longer resist the lessons I'm learning. Under the eye, I choose to trust myself a little bit more than I did yesterday. Under the nose, I choose to live today from a state of groundedness. Under the mouth, right now, I only need give awareness to my weaknesses, to my tendencies, to my habits that I wish to change. And I trust that in becoming aware of these patterns, I am creating a change in my life. Under the arm, I trust that this awareness will transform into action when I'm ready. Good. Wrist point, I give myself space to move at my own pace. Although I sometimes feel alone in this, going through all of this, I choose to focus on how life supports me and how my body has never left me. Good. Go ahead and take a deep breath.